First, you have to take the rod and put the cardboard sheet on neatly. For the first layer, you need no glue, because if you put the glue, it'll stick the rod and you can't take the cardboard sheet out. It happened to me one time. Make it tight and apply a little glue here because to make it stable. Like into the crevices and at the final place. And apply tape to make a knot come out. At the starting too, you should add tape. Make sure not to cut the cardboard. If you cut it, it'll get damaged. This is the first layer. It'll take about like lots of days for this to dry. This is what you get. It's hollow. And it's not strong enough to do it. Don't take it out because it got messy now.